Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can redeem a Fortnite gift card this 2026. So first is you just have to go to the official Epic Redeem page. So here, you just have to copy this one, okay? And then after that, you have here now the field where you can input your code. So you can also scan the QR code on the back of the physical card if it has one. So you can find that at the back of your card. Okay, and then you just have to sign in to your Epic Games account, and then you just have to choose, use the same account you play Fortnite with. So you have the sign in option right here at the top, and then you just have to enter the code after that. So you just have to here on the page after you sign in, you can type the 16-digit gift card code from the back of the card, and then you just have to verify and confirm. So check your account and then click the redeem or confirm option, and then the amount will be added to your Epic account balance, so you can use it to buy V-Bucks, Fortnite crew, battle pass, cosmetics, or other items that use the Epic payment system. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.